Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Ram 1500 Laramie. The 2026 Ram 1500 Laramie takes the legacy of the Ram 1500 lineup to new heights, offering a combination of rugged durability and refined luxury. Known for its capability and comfort, the Laramie trim adds a premium touch to this powerhouse, making it a top choice for truck enthusiasts. The 2026 Ram 1500 Laramie delivers exceptional versatility for both work and leisure. Designed with high-end materials, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched performance, this truck is perfect for those who need a reliable workhorse but don't want to compromise on comfort or style. Whether you're towing heavy loads, exploring off-road terrain, or cruising city streets, the Ram 1500 Laramie has you covered. Ram has introduced several updates for the 2026 Ram 1500 Laramie, ensuring it stays competitive in the ever-evolving truck market. Redesigned front grille. A bolder and more aggressive grille design enhances the truck's rugged appearance. Updated infotainment system. The latest Uconnect system offers faster response times and a more intuitive interface. Improved hybrid option. Enhanced e-torque mild hybrid technology boosts fuel efficiency and performance. New exterior colors. Exciting shades like midnight steel and desert bronze are now available. Enhanced safety features. Additions such as adaptive cruise control with lane centering and a 360-degree camera system ensure safer drives. Step inside the 2026 Ram 1500 Laramie, and you're greeted with a luxurious and spacious cabin that rivals high-end SUVs. Premium materials. Leather-trimmed seating, wood accents, and brushed aluminum details create a sophisticated ambience. Comfort features. Heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and dual-zone climate control ensure a pleasant ride in all weather conditions. Technology. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster provides customizable displays. The 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. A premium Harman Kardon sound system delivers immersive audio quality. Storage solutions. Cleverly designed compartments, including a massive center console and underseat storage, add to the truck's practicality. The 2026 Ram 1500 Laramie stands as a versatile powerhouse designed to meet a wide range of driving and towing demands. Its array of engine options ensures there's a perfect fit for every lifestyle. Whether you prioritize everyday efficiency with a 3.6L V6 Pentastar, demand high towing power from the 5.7L Hemi V8, seek long-haul efficiency with the EcoDiesel 3.0 LV6, or embrace innovation with a cutting-edge hybrid powertrain, the Ram 1500 Laramie delivers unmatched flexibility and performance. With its commitment to power, efficiency, and modern technology, this truck continues to set the benchmark for reliability and capability in its class. The price of the 2026 Ram 1500 starts at $53,000 and goes up to $68,000 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.